Can you trace back your turning points in the career that you've had till now?
So I've joined HCL almost 12 years ago. I've been a part of this organization, and throughout my overall career, I think considering HCL has been a major chunk of it, I've had fabulous chances. I would say I got very lucky. I was at the right place at the right time and had amazing support from
fine-tuning the career path is the toughest challenge in any, particularly a woman's life. And I have several turning points in my life. I started my career as a lecturer in an engineering college. And there was a family situation where I had to search for a better job opportunity. There were many discouraging voices around me saying that leaving a government UGC paid lecturer job, getting into IT industry, competing with youngsters is next to impossible kind of. But the fired passion in me helped me to get into the IT industry, and finally on one day I was selected in TCS. That was the biggest challenge and the toughest turning. My academic caliber and the hope that I had helped me to refract.
I'm completing my 11 years in HCL in another 1 month. So I had many experiences which were turning points. The biggest experience I had, I would like to share it with you, which the very first experiences which was ever been in my memory. So it was the time .NET was launched by Microsoft, and we were trying hard to find trainers for conducting .NET training. I also learned from Microsoft when they came here to conduct training, and I somehow managed to get most valuable professional award from Microsoft for C#.NET. It was 3 years in a row, and I was one among very few people in the whole of Asia to get that award.
Oh, that's brilliant.
So in spite of getting that award, I was not able to manage to conduct training at HCL because the delivery teams used to believe that it is only the trainers from Microsoft who can deliver good training on .NET, because they know that I've learned .NET after joining here. So they were looking for some external consultant who could come and deliver. So I was looking for an opportunity where I can prove myself that I'm a good trainer. This is a great opportunity. I wrote to all the sales heads in US asking them, is there any customer who would like to have an awareness session on .NET? So I'm coming to US and I can take this opportunity. There is no travel cost also because everything is borne by Microsoft. Then the next day came a reply from one of the sales head, big sales head in US. He said that there is a key customer, one of our key customers in US, wanting to migrate from COM architecture to .NET architecture. They were actually looking for some quote from some of the training organizations in US. So would you be able to conduct a full-fledged 5 days training in US for them? That is what he asked, and immediately I jumped up on the opportunity and I told, without realizing what is in store for me, I told them, okay, definitely I'll do. The architect, actually the person who arranged all the training was the director. He is the senior most person there, and he is our direct contact, and he is also the senior architect. He started in my company. That are you aware of Microsoft launching .NET 1.1 beta last week? He was asking. Then I told him, yeah, I'm aware of it, but it is not yet launched in India. It is only launched in US. Not even many people have got the CDs. So that is what I told him. Just because I happened to be an MVP, I came to know that it got launched, but not much details. I have not seen it. And the next 4 days, I didn't have any issue because I had that whole night now. So I asked him what all we need to do, and I started preparing, and everything went extremely well. And at the end of the 5-day program, he wrote a big mail to all our senior management stating that I never thought such a value add will come from HCL. It was the best thing we have ever attended. So many trainings I have attended, so many sessions I have done, but I have never seen such a confident lady and who can adapt to the environment and who can make our business, like the customize the training so much that it became a kind of consulting for us, like that he has wrote.